A decades-old law which allowed the ATF to restore gun rights to certain individuals was blocked since 1992. So we're looking at about 32 years by congressional spending. That's right, our elected representatives. Due to a recent executive order coming out of the White House, it appears as some things are about to change. Thousands of would-be gun owners are grateful to both the President and Attorney General Pam Bondi for allowing gun owners to petition to have their gun rights restored. I don't know about you, I'll be officially celebrating when I can buy a suppressor on Amazon. But we are in a right direction here, as anyone who is involuntarily committed to a mental health institution, even for a short period of time, was given an unconstitutional lifetime gun ban. It appears that federal rights restoration statute at 18 U.S.C. 925C will be honored by the current administration, and our Attorney General and Department of Justice is moving forward fairly quickly on this topic. Whether you believe the current list of federal prohibited persons categories are constitutional, and I know that some of the folks that follow this page do. We're talking about a fugitive of justice, a person addicted, habitual user of controlled substances, those that were admitted through court ordered to a psychiatric reform or institutionalized. Those folks in particular now have the opportunity to request only on a federal level. This has nothing to do with the state level, right? Each state has their own requirements or none. However, on a federal level, that these persons' rights for the Second Amendment would be restored. Now, we also saw that the Health and Human Services website, where the previous administration declared the Second Amendment to be a public safety crisis, that website is now a 404 internal error not found, which I am a huge fan of, because we know that it was all fugazi, gobbledygook. Can we agree on that? Also, a new counsel is at the ATF, replacing the former one, Pamela Hicks, as the new chief counsel, a gentleman by the name of Robert Linder. And we saw that he is a professor and Second Amendment legal expert. So somebody who actually knows what they're talking about, who does not have an agenda to go, in fact, against the Second Amendment, will now be the counsel for the ATF. So we got some good news coming down the pipeline. However, it's just not enough, and we must continue to petition our elected representatives. We must continue to petition those that attempt to infringe on our Second Amendment rights, and they've been winning for a long time, to stop, halt, cease, and desist, because it's your right, given in through the Bill of Rights, our God-given rights for the Second Amendment. I'd like to know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you believe that a person who was at one point needed to seek psychiatric care, should they have their gun rights restored? Now, according to the system, they're reformed. They're doing better. Should their gun rights still be infringed upon? That's up to you to give your opinion. Folks, I do appreciate you tuning in and lending me your ear. I look forward to seeing you. Subscribe to the channel, share this video, and as always, remain safe.